before we go any further, let's have a look to see what we've got. This is a Slime Deluxe tyre plug kit. Turn it over. On the back there's 6 simple instructions of how to use it to successfully repair a puncture. There's even a QR code there as well. It's worth you reading the instructions. It does say this is for emergency repairs only, but I'll let you make the judgment call on that. Okay, let's go outside and I'll show you how it works. This is what you get in the pack. This is called a reamer. This is used to enlarge the hole first. Then you use one of these rubber bungs to thread through the eyelet just there with some plug bond. You force it into the hole, pull it out to plug the puncture, and I'll show you how it works now.